How to Fix My Ugly Lawn, episode 2. Let's get into it. Hey YouTube, Ron and Alex here with episode 2 of Fix My Ugly Lawn. Now if you guys remember in episode 1, if you haven't seen that as yet, be sure to check the cards because this will be part of an entire series where we are transforming his lawn, which is typical of what most of you guys' lawns look like, from this to something that looks like that. That's the goal for over the course of this season. So the same lawn care program that I am doing as far as everything that I put on my lawn, I'm also going to be applying to Alex's lawn, and you guys will see by hopefully by mid to end of the summer how the lawn is transformed. So if you guys remember from episode 1, we had a ton of weeds in this area and we put down Spectracide. So there'll be a card that should pop up here on your screen where you guys can see, again in the first video, how we applied that, and then also just how it works and the reason why we put that on the lawn. The full explanation is there. Something else Alex has been doing, and I've told you guys about already, the importance of manual weeding. So he's got his one tool here, and then if we roll out, he's got the manual weeding tool that you can probably pick this up at Home Depot, but I also have a link to this on Amazon, this guy. And you can see what he's been doing. He's been putting the work in, cleaning up the lawn. It's already looking a lot better. For the weeds that he hasn't pulled up yet, you can see how the Spectracide is working. You can look at this particular guy here, how they're all shriveling up. Like in general, the weeds are just dying off, and this is just after like 3 days or so. So the thing is, it takes a full 2 weeks for that product to take effect. So, but the results already are really good. So that, coupled with what Alex is doing, is definitely a step in the right direction towards improving his lawn. One thing you notice too, Alex just mowed, and if you guys can make it out, there's some stripe action there, guys. So definitely a like for the stripe action. It's already starting. So the product that we'll be putting down today on his lawn, kind of following what I've been doing on my lawn, is this product from Lesco. It's a carbon soil conditioner and organic fertilizer. I've already got it mixed here in my my backpack sprayer. But what that is it contains liquefied kelp. It contains a little bit of iron, and the idea behind that is it's supposed to promote stronger root growth, so it makes the soil just puts it in a better position to still stay green and still remain healthy, even whenever drought conditions hit in a month or two here in Georgia when it gets really hot. So we're going to apply this to his lawn here in a little bit, just kind of, again, following the same program, mirroring what I did, we're also doing here, and you guys get to come along for that. Here we go. Well, there you go, YouTube. We've applied the Lesco, the CarbonPro, to his lawn. I'm going to finish up, do the rest of the lawn here in a second. But yeah, I'm really excited seeing how Alex's lawn turns out. You can see he's back there putting in work, getting the weeds up, which again is the best way to get weeds out of your lawn. Keep herbicides and that kind of stuff off your turf as much as you can. If you guys are interested in learning more about the product, I've got I'll put a card up here where I do the full review of it and talk a little bit more about what's in it, how it works, the theory behind it, and all that stuff. So if you care, check the card out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're really happy and excited to have you guys along with us for the journey as we transform Alex's lawn, and hopefully you guys get some tips that will help you improve your lawn. If you guys have any questions, definitely drop us a line, or drop me a line on my email address, which I'll have in the description, or you can also just feel free to comment. I'm always looking forward to interacting with you guys. It's like one of the best parts of being on YouTube, which is being part of the community. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Helps me out, helps the channel out, and allows me to make more content for you guys. So guys, thanks again. I appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.